Hi all, welcome to ACE Online. Welcome to each and every sincere and serious student who is aspiring to clear SSC CGL examination in 2023. I'm sure most of you know that from yesterday onwards, we started a series of quite innovative sessions covering various topics from aptitude, reasoning, verbal and general studies. Yesterday, I took the first class related to how a student should solve the questions through a prism never seen before. We will continue with some more questions. Yesterday, predominantly, we took a questions from number system and simplification. I discussed the concept and I also discussed how you should approach a question in a logical way rather than solving it in an formulaic way. Today what we will do is, I will take a collection of questions from arithmetic, from geometry, and I will show you how you can solve some of the toughest questions in seconds. In case if you are enjoying these videos, kindly like, share and subscribe. So yesterday also in the evening, my faculty team member has also taken a session on reasoning. Today evening, there is also a session on general studies, We will be covering aptitude, reasoning, verbal and general studies. Ensure that you watch the class. Probably it should be an live watching. In case if you miss it out because of your hectic schedule, I would recommend you to watch the recorded session. Today, I will be discussing aptitude session. Quantitative aptitude, very important. I keep saying in each and every session of mine, before we prepare for any examination, most important thing is we will understand the
ACE Online. Learn anywhere, anytime.
there was a slight 1 minute tech issue. Now, what I was saying is, most importantly, these sessions will give you a different perspective of solving a question. Without wasting any time, let us get into the content. Now, see here. See the first question. Today we will be solving. There is a question based on ages. There is a question based on percentages. There is a question based on time, speed and distance. There is a question based on average speed. There is a question based on boats and streams. There is a question based on time and work. There is a question based on geometry. There is also a question based on mensuration. That means today's class, at the end of the class, you will learn some very different ways of solving the question from varied topics. We will discuss one by one most logical way of solving the question. Now see here. First thing what we will do is, each and every question, whatever we are solving, we are going to solve it in ACE Online way. ACE Online way. What is ACE Online way? ACE Online way is the logical way to solve a problem without using extreme mathematical operations. Logical way. Please read the question first. The first thing what we will do is, we will read the question, we will understand the question, we will translate each and every question into a mathematical operation. In an election, 10% of the voters did not cast their vote. That means there is an election that is happening. There is an election that is happening. In that election, how many did not voted? 10% did not voted in the election. 10% did not voted in the election. That means how many might have voted in the election? 90% of the people has went and gave their vote for a particular candidate. These are the 90% of the people did these voting. 10% of the people did not went for voting. First statement, it is clear. And 60 voters cast their ballot papers blank. There are 60 people who went for voting, but right, instead of giving the vote for a particular candidate, they took the ballot paper and they did not thumped for a particular person. There are like that 60 people. There were only two candidates. So 90% of the people whom they voted, that election is for two people. One is for winner. One is for winner. And the person who got the maximum vote, he is the winner. The person who got less votes, he is said to be the loser. What is the question? The winner was supported by 47% of the voters. So, winner got 47%. Out of 90% of the people who voted in the election, 47% votes went to winner. That means 43% went to the loser. 43% went to the loser. Out of 90, 47 went to the winner. That means 43 went to the loser. What is the winner was supported by 40% and he got 300 votes more, and he got 300 votes more than his rival. The difference is 308, 47% and 40%. Now see, what is the difference? 4%. Let us go by the answer option. 4% of 3,600. 4% of 3,600, it is 2 zeros and 2 zeros in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. It is 144. 144 plus 60 is 204. 204 votes the difference. But the question is 308 votes. That means this cannot be the answer. Second option, 4% of 6,200. 4% of 6,200 is 248. 248 plus 60 votes went for blank. 248 plus 60 is how much? 308 votes. No need of using any x and y. Just by looking at a question, you can tell the answer as 6200. 6200. Again, I am repeating for the second time. There is an election that is happening in a particular place. There are certain people living in that particular place. 10% did not voted, 90% voted in the election, out of which 47% winner got, loser got 43%. Difference is 4%, and 60 people, right, went to do an voting, but they left the ballot paper blank. Difference is 4%. 4% of 6,200 is 248. Plus 60, it is 308. What is the learning from this question? Use answer options. Use answer option approach and save your time. Good number of questions that comes in your examination, you can solve it by eliminating a lot of incorrect answer option. I hope the first question idea it is very much clear. Second question, please read the question. Almost all the 90 to 95% of the questions, 90 to 95% of the questions that come from ages, right, can be done by eliminating answer option, eliminating or using answer option, eliminating or usage of answer options. Very, very important approach, sir. Eliminating or usage of answer options. 90 to 95% of the questions. Let us see the question. Read the question. The age of Shivali and Tanisha are in the ratio 11:7. So there are two characters, Shivali and Tanisha. The ages are in the ratio 11:7. The ages are in the ratio 11:7. 11:7. Just one simple concept, sir. Suppose the difference between me and my elder brother is 2 years. Me and my elder brother this year it is 2 years. Next year also it will be 2 years. If I am 2 years elder to my younger brother, after 5 years also I will be 2 years elder. After 10 years also I will be 2 years elder. 1 year before also I will be 2 years elder, right? So the difference between age of Shivali and Tanisha are in the ratio 11:7. 11:7 means their difference is 4 years. After some years, before some years, the difference in the ages will always be an right multiple of 4. That is the first understanding of the question. Difference between ages. Difference in between ages. difference between ages is always a multiple of 4. Is always a multiple of 4. I hope this idea it is clear. This is the basic root cause of the problem. This is the basic root cause of the problem. Question is asking for difference in ages. That means answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Eliminate the incorrect answer options which are not divisible by 4. 10 is not divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4. So either answer will be 4 years or 8 years. There will be another condition that will be attached in the question. The statement which satisfies that condition, that statement will be the right answer. After 8 years, after 8 years, after 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be 15:11. After 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be 15:11 after 8 years. What is the first option? 4 years. If it is 4 years, right? Shivali's age will be 11 and Tanisha's age will be 7, right? Because 11 and 7 difference is 4. 11:7 difference is 4. So here it will be 11, here it will be 7. If it is 11, after 8 years, after 8 will become 11 plus 8, 19. 19, is it divisible by 15? No. So therefore, 4 years cannot be the answer. Let me check if it is 8 years. 11 and 7. Difference is a multiple of 4. Difference is a multiple of 4. But according to the question, the answer is 8. That means let me multiply by 2. So this will be 22 and 14. 22 years is the current age of Shivali. After 8 years, 22 plus 8 will be 30. 30, it is a multiple of 15. So answer for this question is 8 years. Unnecessarily, right? Please do not get into usage of any variables in age-related problems. Age-related problems, read the question, understand the root cause of the problem, solve it in a very logical way. Current ages are in the ratio 11:7. The first root cause of the problem is if the difference between me and my younger brother is 2 years. After 2 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, after n number of years, difference will always be same. That means answer will always be a multiple of 4. Therefore, option B and option C are eliminated. First step, I hope it is very clear. Second step, 11 and 7, difference is 4. I took the option C, it is 8. 4 is becoming 8 into 2. So it is 22 and 14. Current age of Shivali is 22 years. After 8 years, 22 plus 8 will be 30. Is 30 a multiple of 15? Yes. So therefore the answer is, if this is not a multiple of 15, 8 years, answer would have been none of this. Similarly, you do not need to check any other thing because these incorrect, 8 is satisfying. Tanisha, in case if you want to check, right now it is 7 2s are 14. 14 after 8 years it is 22. 22 is a multiple of 11. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the learning from the second question? Use answer option. First question and second question. In today's class, the entire bottom line is how to use answer option should solve a lot of questions. Lot of questions can be solved very, very easily if you understand the question. Again, this question is from ages. Again, this question is from ages. We will first read the question. We will first read the question. 10 years after 10 years. After 10 years. From today after 10 years, the ratio of the ages between Simmi and Niti, it is 7:9. After 10 years, the ratio between the ages will be in the ratio 7:9. 2 years ago, 2 years ago, that means if it is 2023, first statement is after 10 years, 2033. 2 years before it is 2021. 2 years before, the ratio between Simmi and Niti's age will be 1:3. I just read the statement for my own understanding. I wrote it like this. If Abhay is 4 years elder to Simmi, that means if Simmi's age is 12, Abhay's age will be 12 plus 4, 16. If Simi's age is 5, Abhay's age will be 5 plus 4, 9. So whatever the Simi's age is there, add 4 to it to get the Abhay's age. What is Abhay's present age? What is Abhay's present age? Now see here, listen carefully, sir. Here what I will do is, my entire attention, what are all the prime numbers that are present? Here there is a 7, which is a prime number, right? Because 7 is present in Simi's age, I will look at this question from a Simi point of view. The point of reference, the point of entire question, I will try to solve from Simi's point of view. I will find out Simi's age and I will check whether after 10 years whether it is a multiple of 7 or not. So Abhay's age is 4 years more than Simi. So this cannot be the answer because this is a stupid answer. Because if Abhay's age is 4 equivalent to 4 plus years, Simi's age will be 0. That means Simi is not born. So it cannot be the answer. 4 cannot be the answer. If I take the first option it is 8. If Abhay's age is 8 is equivalent to 4 plus years. That means Simi's age will be 4. Simi's age will be 4. Simi's age it is 4. Simi's age is 4. After 10 years, 10 plus 4, 14. Is 14 divisible by 7? Definitely 14 is divisible by 7. There is a possibility that this can be the answer. Next, right? Abhay's present age 16. If it is 16, Simi's present age will be 16 minus 4, 12. Simi's present age is 12. 12 plus 10, 22. It cannot be. There is no option which is saying that more than one answer it is possible. So obviously the answer will be 8. Obviously the answer will be 8. If there is an option 8 and another value will satisfy, I would do it. Please listen very carefully. Very easy question which can be solved in seconds if you understand it properly. Again I am repeating. After 10 years, Simi and who is the other character? Niti. Niti's age is 7:9, right? 7 is a prime number. I told you yesterday, I will repeat the statement. Entire arithmetic, to solve maximum number of questions in arithmetic using eliminating answer options. Arithmetic, good number of questions. Answer options can be eliminated. Eliminating answer options. Answer options can be eliminated by using which all approaches, sir? By using digital sum approach, by using rightmost non-zero digit approach, rightmost non-zero digit approach, by using prime number divisibility approach, prime number divisibility approach, and also at times the divisibility rule of composite number. These are the 4 important concepts that are used to eliminate answer options in especially in arithmetic area. Arithmetic area. See here 7 is a prime number. So I am looking at this question from a Simi's point of view. Answer, he is talking about Abhay and he gave a correlation between Abhay and Simi. Abhay is 4 years elder to Simi. If Abhay is 8 years, if Abhay is 8, Simi will be 4. Simi it is 4. 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. Answer will be a multiple of 7. Answer will be a multiple of 7. Simi, he clearly said that it will be there in the multiple of 7. Ages, this question, I used the concept of prime number divisibility rule. This question, I just understood that the difference between me and my younger brother's age will not differ as the age progresses. 2 questions on ages. Consider yourself lucky if you get a question from ages. Now see here. Look at this question. This is a question from trains concept from time, speed and distance. Trains concept. Trains concept from a main topic, time, speed and distance. Trains concept from time, speed and distance. Please see the question. 2 trains start at the same time from Goa and Mumbai and proceed towards each other. That means 2 trains are coming in opposite direction. 2 trains are coming in opposite direction. They are coming in opposite direction at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. One train from Goa to Mumbai is coming at 80 kilometers per hour. Mumbai to Goa is coming at 95 kilometers per hour. Two trains are moving in opposite direction. Let us see what will happen after 1 hour. After 1 hour, this train has traveled 80 and this train has traveled 90. They are coming in opposite direction. One is coming from A to B, another is coming from B to A. That means after 1 hour, total 175 kilometers are covered. Sir, why it is 175? Left to right 80, right to left 95. Right to left 95. In 1 hour, 175 kilometers it is covered. What is he asking? Find the distance between Goa and Mumbai. Distance he is asking. Time, speed and distance. Basic thumb rule is speed is equivalent to distance by time. Basic thumb rule is speed is equivalent to distance by time. Here two bodies are moving in opposite direction. So speed will become relative speed. Relative speed into time is distance. 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 Now see here, what is the relative speed we got after 1 hour? 175 kilometers. Relative speed we got it as 80 plus 95. It is 175 into t is equivalent to d. Now that is what I said. Good number of arithmetic questions can be solved by using prime number divisibility rule. 175. The prime factors of 175 it is 7 into 25. 7 into 5 into 5. That means answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 3800 not divisible by 7. 4000 not divisible by 7. 4400 not divisible by 7. So answer for this question is 4200 kilometers. I do not need to find out the time. If there is more than one answer option with same number which is divisible by 7, then I will find out the time by using the second condition given in the question. Again I am repeating, very simple ideology to solve the question. A person is traveling from A to B, another is traveling from B to A. After 1 hour, this train will travel 80 and this train will travel 95. Total 175. It is the total relative speed. 175 is a natural number which has a prime factor 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 4400. It is not divisible by 7, not divisible by 7, not divisible by 7. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you, right? Idea is to show you how some of the questions, instead if you go by the traditional method, you will get the answer, but the time investment on this question is ideally 15 to 20 seconds. To get the answer, you spent about 1 minute. On each and every question, your investment of time, if it is delta of 40 seconds for 25 questions, how much time you wasted. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Now see this question. This question is again, the problem with most of the students is when you are doing it, you should learn a topic in a most logical way and the most simplest way. You will end up doing in a traditional formula way, which is a lot of time consuming way. Again, there is an SSC previous year replica question. On a journey across Mumbai, a person is traveling across various places in Mumbai. First statement is clear to me. A tourist bus averages 10 kilometers per hour. A tourist bus, it is going at 10 kilometers per hour and it covers 20% distance. It covers 20% distance. Next, it covers 30 kilometers per hour. It travels 60% distance. 60% distance. 20 kilometer per hour. 20 kilometer per hour. Remaining will be 60 plus 20, 80 over. remaining will be 20% distance. Remaining will be 20% distance. What is the question that he is asking? Average speed he is asking. Average speed he is asking. Right? How you will solve the question? How you should ideally solve the question? Let us see the difference between these two. Average speed. Average speed. How you will solve the question? Average speed is equivalent to average, the traditional formula equate. Average speed is equivalent to total distance by total time. Average speed is equivalent to total distance by total time. Total distance, is it known to us? Is the value known to us? This is 20%, that means d by 5. It is 60%, it is 3d by 5, right? 20%, it is d by 5. It is d by 5. This is d by 5. Here it is 3d by 5. Here it is d by 5. What are all the prime numbers which are there? Here it is 5, here it is 3. Here also it is 3. And right here it is 2, it is there. 5, 3 and 2 are the prime numbers. So what you will do is, let distance is equivalent to 5, 3, 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Let the distance is equivalent to 300 kilometers. Sir, how you took it as 300 kilometers? Wherever I got prime numbers, that multiple I took. It is denominator 5. Numerator I got 3. Here also it is 2 is there. 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2, 30. 30 some easier calculation. Generally any numbers getting multiplied by 10 multiples, it is very easy. So I took 10 multiples. D equivalent to 300 kilometers. So average speed is equivalent to total distance he travelled is 300. Total distance he travelled is 300. He travelled d by 5. 300 by 5, 60, 60 by 10, from here to here. Then he travelled 3d by 5 of 300, 3 by 5 of 300. He travelled 180 by 30. Then he travelled d by 5, 1 by 5 of 300, 60 by 20, 60 by 20. It is 300 divided by 6 plus 6 plus 3. 300 by 15. Answer is 20 kilometers per hour. You will feel very happy that you got the answer. This is an generic method that will be almost taught by every book and every teacher. I am going just 100 feet down. Instead of solving it in this way, I will read the question first and I will check where is the root cause of the problem. Root cause of the problem. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30. Speeds are given as 10, 20 and 30. A simple concept if you know it, you will get the answer. Yes, online way. A simple concept, we will get the answer. What is that concept? Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. Everybody knows that. Average is always greater than lowest value. Average is always less than highest value. LV stands for lowest value. HV stands for highest value. Average is greater than lowest value. Average is less than highest value. Greater than lowest value. Answer should be greater than 10. I hope it is clear. This is also clear. Examiner psychology, how answer options are kept so stupid that the examiner strength is writing the questions, good questions, intellectual questions. The person who is solving that paper, his intelligence lies in solving these questions in the smartest way. Average is less than highest value. Less than 30. That means these eliminated. Instead of doing all these things, just by looking at the options, if the examiner would have given an answer options which are lying between 10 and 30, this method would have been the best method. He gave such a stupid answers. Just by looking at the question, I got the answer. Answer for this question is 20. Please keep an eye on the answer options. Please, the question, when I say read a question, question is not from here to here. Question is from here to here. You have to read the answer options so that you can save your time. What is the right way to solve this question? Average is always greater than lowest value. Average is always less than highest value. I hope the idea it is clear, right? This kind of thing, concepts, we kept a lot in our regular, right, pre-recorded self-learning course, which I will discuss at the end, sir. Now, let us read the question. This question is taken from a concept, boats and streams. This is taken from the concept, boats and streams. Very, very important topic from time, speed and distance. From time, speed and distance, I took these question. See here, how we can simplify the question. First, let us read the question. Amit went to a place 119 kilometers upstream. There is a source and there is a destination. There is a destination, right? Assume water is flowing like this. From right to left, water is flowing like this. Amit is at point A. Amit is at point A. Amit went to a place 11.9 kilometers upstream. The distance from A to B or B to A, it is 11.9 kilometers. Distance it is 11.9 kilometers. Amit went to a place 11.9 kilometers upstream. When I say upstream, that means boat is moving in this direction, water is coming in this direction. If boat and water are moving in the same direction, boat and water, B and W, B is moving in this direction, W is moving in this direction, then it is a downstream speed. Downstream speed, one force will act on another force. One force will act on another force. This is downstream speed. Both are moving from left to right. Boat and water are moving from left to right. Boat and water are moving from right to left. If boat and water are moving in opposite direction, one is from left to right, another is from right to left, then this is called upstream speed. Then this is called upstream speed. Upstream speed is given by B minus W. B minus W. First, what is the statement? Amit went to a place 11.9 kilometers. Distance it is 11.9 kilometers upstream. Upstream means both are moving in the opposite direction. It is B minus W. First statement it is clear to me. And came back from that place in his boat. He went from A to B, and while coming back, boat is moving from right to left, water is also moving from right to left, plus 11.9 divided by B plus W. 11.9 divided by B plus W. It is total time, it is given as 16 hours. Total time it is given as 16 hours. Time to go from A to B plus time to go from B to A. Time to go from A to B plus time to go from B to A. It is 16 hours, right? One value if you get, then this equation becomes a single variable. If the speed of the stream is, right, speed of the water stream is 2. That means 11.9 by B minus 2 plus 11.9 by B plus 2 is equivalent to 16 hours. Is equivalent to 16 hours. Now look at this question. Most of the students, what they do is, they will cross multiply, they will get a quadratic equation for B, they will get the value of B, they will solve it. Now what am I doing it? I told you arithmetic can be solved. Here I told you ways. Arithmetic can be solved by using answer options. Which all ways are there? Digital sum, rightmost non-zero digit, prime number and divisibility rule. These are the focus points. Prime number is the focus point. Let us attack the 11.9. 11.9 is 3 it is not divisible. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 7 into 7 ones are 7 into 1.7. Numerator it is divisible by 7. And right hand side it is a natural number. Right hand side it is a natural number. Right? Numerator 7 is there, 17 is there. You can write it as 7 into 1.7 or 17 into 0.7. That means denominator should be divisible by either 7 or 17. Denominator, it should be divisible by either 7 or 7.9. Now 17. Let us go by the answer option. 3.6. 3.6 minus 2 is 1.6. 1.6 is not divisible by 7. First option eliminated. Right? 5.2. 5.2 minus 2 is 3.2. Not divisible by, right, 7. Third one, 5.6 minus 2, 3.6. Not divisible by 7. 11.9 is divisible by 7 or 17. Answer should be divisible by 7 or 17. 4.8. 4.8 minus 2, 2.8. 2.8 contains 7 as a prime factor. 4.8 plus 2, 6.8. 6.8 which is 68, right? 17 into 0.4. Answer is divisible by, here it is divisible by 7, here it is divisible by 17. Answer for this question is 4.8. That is how you will solve an aptitude problem without getting into complicated equations. So, if I substitute B is equivalent to 4.8, here it will be 11.9 by 2.8 plus 11.9 by 6.8. 17 into 0.7, 17 into 0.4. 7 into 17, 7 into 4. 17 plus 7, 24, right? So, 24. If you see here, 11.9, 4.8 plus 2, right? To a place 11.9 kilometers upstream and downstream. Total time. Check it out whether you are getting the answer. 7 into 7, 1.7 by 0.4. 17 by 4. 17 by 4 here and it is 17 7s are, 17 4s are. Check the calculation wherever you are getting the answer. That itself will be the answer. 11.9. 11.9 divided by, I took the 4.8. 4.8 minus 2, 2.8. 11.9 divided by, right, 11.9, 4.8 plus 2, 16.8. So, it is divisible by 7, this is divisible by 7. I hope the idea, it is very much clear to you. This is how you should try to look at the question. This is divisible by 7, this is divisible by 7. Check which option is divisible by 7. Calculation you can do later. I hope the approach it is clear. Seventh question, another question, very easy question. This question is again taken from time and work. Very important topic, time and work. Time and work. A and B are working together, can do a piece of work in 18 days. A and B are working together, can do a piece of work in 18 days. B and C, they are working together and complete a work in 24 days. And they are working together, complete a work in 24 days. A and C, they are working together and complete the work in 36 days. Sir, here there is a small typo error. It is 6 hours. It is not 16 hours. It is 6 hours. There is a typing mistake, right? It is 6 hours, which we got here. 17 plus 6. 17 plus 6 is 24 by 4, 6. It is just a typing mistake. Don't think that the calculations are incorrect. Right hand side, instead of 16, it is 6 hours. I hope the idea it is clear. A plus B can complete a work in 18 days. B plus C can complete a work in 24 days. A plus C can complete a work in 36 days. Question is, if all of them work together, A plus B plus C, if all of them work together, how many days it will take? How many days it will take? If I ask this question, The first thing students will do is, because it is taught to them and it is built in their subconscious mind, they will take the work as 18, 24, 36. They will take the LCM, 18, 24, 36. It is 72 units. Work is 72 units. A plus B will be 72 by 18. It is 4 units per day. B plus C will be 72 by 24. It is 3 units per day. A plus C will be 72 by 36. It is 2 units per day. It is 2 units per day. So they will add it. A plus B plus C into 2 will be 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. A plus B plus C, it will be 4.5 units per day. That means per day they will do 4.5 units, which is 9 by 2 units. 72, it will take 16 days. It will take 16 days. This is how you will solve the question, right? Generic method to solve the question. If days are given in the question, convert the days into units per day. Take the LCM of 18, 24, 36, 72. 18 days, 72 units. A plus B, 4 units per day. 24 days, 72 units. B plus C, 3 units per day. 36 days, 72 units. A plus C, 2 units per day. If I add 2 into A plus B plus C is 9. A plus B plus C will become 4.5 units per day. You are just going by the approach that is taught. You are actually not thinking the question in a logical way. If this question is asked to you, how you should solve it in a logical way, which is the ACE online way. How you should solve this question? How you should solve this question? Think logically, sir. If A plus B are working together and are completing the work in 18 days. 2 people are coming together and they are completing the work in 18 days. 2 people are working together and completing a work in 18 days. If a new person joins, definitely they will complete the work in less than 18 days. If 2 people are working and completing a work in 18 days, if a new person joins, then obviously it will take less than 18 days. Answer should be less than 18 days. Such a stupid answer options. Answer is 16 days. Answer is 16 days. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. What I did is, I read the question completely without even converting into units per day. The answer option itself has given me an answer without even solving it. If 2 people are working together and completing a work in 18 days, if a new person joins, answer will be done in less than 18 days. The only option which they kept is, again and again I am telling you, the psychology of the examination, examiner should be understood and you should write the examination in such a way. None of the questions I used an traditional way of solving the question, because traditional way of solving is something which you will find in tons and tons of books and in videos. What is unique in ACE Online is the methodology, is the uniqueness with which experienced teacher discuss the concept. All are logical ways to solve a question. 2 people are working in 18 days. 3 people come together. They work in less than 18 days. Only option is less than 16 days. I hope it is clear. Sir, can we use these logical way in geometry and mensuration? Definitely yes, sir. Definitely yes. See this question. A circle with a radius 2. There is a bigger circle. Okay. There is a bigger circle which is touching the axis. A circle with a radius 2. That means if I call these as a center point, center to any point on the circumference 2. Here also it is 2. Here also it is 2. Another smaller circle is placed. This circle is placed in such a way that it is touching the origin, sir. Please make a note. This smaller circle is touching the origin. And it is given in the question. If I call this as center, C1, C2, O. All these 3 points are collinear. Please add that point. C1, C2, O. All are collinear. What is collinear? If I draw a line, all the 3 points will be right lying on the same line. Please add this point. C1, C2 and O all are collinear. Collinear. So what I will do is, what is the radius of this smaller circle? What is the radius of this smaller circle? This is 2, this is 2. From here to here. From here to here. If I draw a line, all centers will lie on that line. If I see here, this is 2, this is 2. So this value will be root of 2 square plus 2 square. Root of 2 square plus 2 square. It will be 4 plus 4. It is root 8. Root 8 is root of 4 into 2. It is 2 root 2. Root 2 it is 1.4. This entire point will be 2.8. From here to here, it will be around 2.8. This value it is 2. This value it is 2. That means from here to here, it will be close to 0.8. From here to here, it is the diameter. That means 2r is closer to 0.8. That means r will be closer to 0.4. R will be closer to 0.4. R is closer to 0.4. Now if you see here, right, it is 6 minus 4 into 1.414. 6 minus 5.6, 0.4. Over, finish. No heavy calculations, nothing required. Very simple way of solving a question. From here to here, it is 2. From here to here, it is 2. From here to here, it is 2. So from here to here, it will be 2 root 2. Why? Because of right angle triangle property. This is 2, this is 2. This entire will be root of 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is 8. Root 8. From here to here, it is root 8. Root 8 is 4 into 2. 2 root 2. 2 root 2. This value it is 2. That means this entire value will be 2 root 2 minus 2. Root 2 is 1.4. Into 2 is 2.8. 2.8 minus 2 is 0.8. This entire value is 0.8. D is 0.8. D means 2R. 2R is 0.8. R will be closer to 0.4. Radius answer will be closer to 0.4. Only option which is closer to 0.4 is 6 minus 4 root 2. Entire today's session, if you see, each and every problem, I just tried to show you how to solve original questions through a prism, never seen before. Answer for this question is 6 minus 4 root 2. Sometimes when I see these mensuration related questions, mensuration is full of formulas. That is something everybody knows it. But can I understand some basic concept and can I eliminate answer option? See here, sir, let us discuss a very simple concept which we discuss in 5th class. Metrics of measurement. Metrics of measurement. Very simple concept. Almost everybody knows it. But unfortunately, most of them do not know how to use this concept and eliminate answer options in right aptitude examination. What is that one? Length, breadth, length of a rectangle, breadth of a rectangle, radius of a cone or a cylinder, height, all will be in meters or centimeters or inches. The degree will be 1. Degree will be 1. Suppose if I take area of a rectangle, right, total surface area of a 3-dimensional figure, lateral surface area of a 3-dimensional figure, all these will be, metric will be degree 2. Meter square or centimeter square or any unit degree will be 2. Right? If I am finding area related problems, degree will be 2. If I am finding, right, length breadth related problems, degree will be 1. If I am finding volume related problems, if I am finding volume of the cylinder, volume of cone, volume of pyramid, the volume degree will be cube. Volume metric of measurement is degree 3. Area metric of measurement is degree 2. right? Length, breadth, radius, height, degree of the measurement, it is 1. Now see here, I hope this basic idea it is clear. With this basic idea, without even using formula, let us solve it. Parallel sides of trapezium are equivalent to P and Q. Parallel side means it will be degree 1, degree 1. Yes. Find the length of the line segment. Line segment length means answer should be degree 1. Answer should be degree 1. Length of the line segment means answer should be degree 1. Here it is a degree 2, eliminated. Here it is a degree 3, eliminated. Here it is degree 1. Degree 2 under root, it will be degree 1. Degree 1 by degree 1, eliminated. So answer for this question is root of p square plus q square by 2. Did I use the formula anywhere? Did I mugged up anything? What I understood from the metric of measurement, I used the concept. This is length, breadth, radius and height, degree 1. Area, lateral surface area, total surface area, degree 2. Volume, it will be degree 3. Volume, it will be degree 3. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. So volume, it will be degree 3. Area related question, degree 2. Length of the line segment related question, it will be degree 1. So only one option is degree 1. Of course, if there is more than one option with a degree 1, we have to get into the properties. Today, the entire questions that we are looking at from which angle, how to eliminate incorrect answer options with our strong fundamentals. I am sure most of you can also solve this question with that angle. Distance of A and B. Find the distance. Distance will be, answer will be in degree 1. Answer will be in degree 1. Answer for this question will be in degree 1. This is degree 3. It cannot be. Degree 2, degree 2. Cancels out. It cannot be. Right? Degree 2 under root, degree 1. There is no under root, degree 2. No need of doing anything. Answer for this question is degree 1. Very powerful concept. I keep telling in each and every class of mine, what we discuss in algebra degree based concept. In algebra also, I will show you in the next upcoming classes. What we will do, sir? In algebra also, whenever we are solving this question, how will we solve most of the algebra related questions? First we will eliminate the questions using a degree concept. After that one, we will try to use the concept of an dependent variable concept. Right? We will also make use of substitution based concept. Some questions we will use using pattern based questions concept. Some questions we will solve it using approximation based questions. These are the various ways to solve algebra related question. The same degree concept is also used in geometry. Each and every question, whatever I discuss in live class, watch it again, understand the essence, understand the root cause of the problem, then take it forward. 10 questions, a mixture of questions taken from the previous questions, how you can solve the questions in seconds. If there is a student who probably wants to know, sir, I want your complete self-paced online course, I wanted to know all these concepts in detail, we have a self-paced pre-recorded course. The course is close to 350 plus hours. Course is taken by an experienced faculties. The course contains aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability and general studies. Test series is added freely. There is also an special 24/7 chat support and there will also be a special doubt clearing sessions that will happen. The number of tests that will be given to you freely is 18, which is a combination of subject plus full. How you can buy it? You can get into ACE online website. In this one, right, there will be an SSC CGL course option. Click on 2023. You can buy that self-paced program access. There you can buy it. We have an 3 months course offer, 6 months course offer, and a 12 months course offer. There will be a special 20% discount that can be applied till 10th May. I think that is today. You will get a special 20% discount using the coupon code CGL 2020 is the coupon code. All the problems, each and every question, whatever we discussed, write all these questions, keep it in mind, ensure that you understand these logical way to solve the question. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Evening there is a special general studies class. Kindly go through that class and prepare very sincerely and seriously. With love, Anil Nair, Faculty, ACE Online.